When your fabrication line demands precision and speed, the ROTO HORNET 1000 delivers. This CNC plasma pipe cutting machine features a custom pipe loading system for safe, efficient handling of pipe up to 40 feet, reducing operator fatigue and boosting productivity. Built for fabrication shops, steel processors, and heavy equipment manufacturers, it's made to perform in high-output environments. Programming is fast and intuitive with ProNest software by Hypertherm. No CAD experience needed, just simple, powerful design tools with 3D rendering for confident, accurate cuts. The manual bevel attachment adds flexibility for precise weld preps. The adjustable 3-jaw chuck ensures perfect pipe alignment and cuts diameters from 1 inch to 14 inches with ease. Every detail is engineered to streamline your workflow and keep production moving. Pneumatic rollers make loading and unloading quick and effortless. Integrated dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and your team safe. Engineered for accuracy, built for durability, and designed for real-world shops, the ROTO HORNET 1000 is built to take the hit and back to keep you cutting. Hornet Cutting Systems. Built rigid. Runs clean. Works hard.